Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss about IP version 6. IP version 6 is a 128-bit. IP version 6 is a 128-bit hexadecimal form. It is in hexadecimal form. Okay, and 128 bits divided into quartet. 128 bits are divided into 8 quartets. Okay, I'll write that. Here, 1 quartet equal to 4 hexadecimal. 1 quartet equal to 4 hexadecimal. 8 quartets are equal to 32 hexadecimal. Okay, so each quartet is separated with colon. In IP version 6, each quartet is separated with colon. Okay, so I'll give the example for IP version 6. How the IP address is assigned in IP version 6. That I'll give example. Okay, 201A colon 008C colon 000 colon again 0000 colon 0000 colon 000A colon again 0000 colon 0000. So this is my IP version 6 address. So here this is my first quartet, second quartet, third quartet, fourth quartet, fifth quartet, sixth quartet, seventh quartet, and this is my eighth quartet. Okay, so total we have 8 quartets. Here, one hexadecimal equal to 4 bits. Then 4 hexadecimals are equal to 16 bits, or we can say 1 quartet. 4 hexadecimals are equal to 16 bits or 1 quartet. Okay, now 8 hexadecimals are equal to 128 bits or IP version 6. 8 hexadecimals are equal to 128 bits, or we can say IP version 6. And here 0 means off. 0 equal to off. 1 equal to on. Okay, so here 0 equal to off, 1 equal to on. And leading zeros are omitted. Here I can give you one note, that is Leading zeros are omitted. So what does it mean? That I'll explain. Say for example, this is our address. Okay. And as you know that there are 8 quartets. This IP version 6 is of 8 quartets with this address. Now, this IP address we can also write like 201A 8C because 0 is 0 omitted. No need to mention zeros. Colon 0 colon 0 colon 0 colon A colon 0 0. We can also write our address like this. Okay. I'll show you. See, this is your first quartet. 8C. Instead of writing the full address, we can also write like this. And this is 0 0 0. Instead of writing the complete address, we can write like this. 0 0. Our address we can also write like this. Okay, and here 4 successive zeros represents as single zero. Here I have 4 zeros, right? Instead of writing 4 zeros, we cannot simply mention single zero. This is our first point in the note. This is the first point. Okay. And now I'll give my second point. That is 4 successive zeros represents as a single zero. Four successive zeros represents as a single zero. And the third point, multiple fields of zero represents as double colons, but once in a address. First I'll write, then I'll show you. Multiple fields of zeros represents as double colons, but once in a address. Okay, so for example, colon, my second field 8C colon. In my third, fourth, fifth fields we have all zeros. So instead of writing that, we can simply mention like this. All zeros. Double colon. Then my sixth quartet A. My seventh quartet 0 and my eighth quartet 0. So why I'm not writing double colons here? Because as I mentioned, multiple fields of zeros represents as double colon, but once in a address. So here already we mentioned double colon. After A means after our sixth quartet, again we have multiple zeros, but here we cannot mention that as per the note. Clear, right? Now, so as I told, IP version 6 is of 128 bits. And this IP version 4 128 bits are divided into two parts, 64 and 64. They divided into two parts. First 64 is for network and next 64 is for host. First four quartets are for network, second four quartets are for host. I'll write that point also. First four quartet is network and second four quartets are host. Okay. So for example, assume you have a PC. Okay. So you want to assign the IP address. PC1 IP address. I'll mention like this 201A colon 2C F colon 0 colon 0 colon 0 colon 0 colon 0 colon 29. Okay, here first quartet, second quartet, third quartet, fourth quartet. Okay, these are, one moment. Okay, so we have 8 quartets total. So here the first 4 quartets are for network and last 4 quartets are for host. These are for host. And this address we can also write, as we discussed, we can also write like this 201A colon 2CF colon colon double colons, because we have multiple zeros, double colons 29 slash 64. This is called prefix address. And I have second PC, PC2. In PC2, my IP address is 201A colon 2CD colon 0 colon 0 colon 0 colon 0 colon 0 colon 19. Okay. So here also the first 4 octets are network and last 4 octets are host. Okay, how we can assign this IP address in our computer? 201A colon 2C D colon colon 19 slash 64. Simply we can write like this. So this is the introduction for IP version 6. So what is IP version 6? Addresses we have. IP version 6 is of 128-bit and this is hexadecimal form. And 128 bits are divided into 4 quartets. First quartet is for, first half digits are for network, second half digits are for host here. Okay, and leading zeros are omitted. These points are important to remember. If you want to check your IP address, just go to run and there ncpa dot cpl, there select Ethernet and then go to properties. From here you can check or you can assign IP address. Okay, so this is about IP version 6. Thank you for the session.